In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Made in China B2B Trade Online app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So if you've been receiving a lot of alerts and notifications on your smartphone from this app, it is important to go ahead and turn them off if you no longer need them. To do so, you need to go ahead and look for the app information page. And for this, you will need to go ahead and go to settings. So I'll go ahead and log out and then go to my settings here. And then scroll down to this option called apps. Under apps, I'll choose manage apps. Depending on your smartphone, it might be written more apps. Now go ahead and tap on it. And this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, go ahead and find your app. And here is my app. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Alternatively, you can also search for your app using the search function here. So once you tap on it, you'll see here is the app information page. However, if getting to this page is quite complex, let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, you'll need to go ahead and look for your app. And once you find your app, you can see mine is here. Go ahead and long press on it. And then look for this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will take you to the same app information page. To turn off these pop-up notifications, go under permissions here and then scroll down to get to notifications. Currently, you can see notifications are on, and that's why you have been receiving those pop-up notifications. To put an end to this, go ahead and turn off all these notifications, and the best way to do it is just to toggle this show notifications button. And from now henceforth, you'll never again see any pop-up notifications coming from this app. So if you go back to your app, you'll find the pop-up notifications that were popping up have disappeared. And if you also scroll down here, you can't see any pop-up notification from Made in China B2B Trade Online app. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.